Really good. Get out and enjoy that sun if you can. Discover Peoria is your concierge for local events, shops to visit, eateries to try, and places to explore in Greater Peoria. This week, Taguana Webster takes us axe throwing as we uncover what events you can look forward to in the Greater Peoria area.
Hey y'all, it's Taguana Webster with Discover Peoria. I'm here at Red Hat Enterprises on the Gone Axe Throwing side. On February 14th, Gone Axe Throwing is going to be hosting an event called Axe the X. Bring your friends and come on down, where all the proceeds are going to go to the Pet Foster Outreach. You can purchase a Valentine so you can put it up on the bullseye and throw axes at it. What a fun way to have on Valentine's Day to hang out with your friends. You can grab a drink. Speaking of which, follow me. Some say that Saturdays are for the boys, but we say anyone is welcome to pregame at Kellher's. Every Bradley men's basketball home game, you can go to Kellher's and grab a drink or two, and then jump on the Discover Peoria shuttle. The next one is February 11th. Go to Kellher's before the Bradley men's basketball game to enjoy the pregame celebrations. Nothing says love like food. On February 11th, grab your sweetie or your galentine and go to Mackinaw Valley Vineyard, where you can decorate cookies. The event starts at 1:30 and it goes till 3 o'clock. Also, on February 13th, you can make your own sweet treats at the Cookery. This event starts at 5:30 and it goes until 8 o'clock. Grab your sweetheart and get to either one of those events to have a great Valentine's Day.
Thanks for joining us at Red Hat Enterprises.
This is Taguana Webster with Discover Peoria. Join us next week where we're going to continue to discover Peoria together.